Your friend Davido, the same music that Davido they play, they collect 20 million naira. People they collect 10,000 naira. Why Davido don't collect him crash in price? Why Wizkid don't collect crash in price, collect 50,000? What are some of those nonsense? You are happy because it's Blord. No, let us crash in music industry too. They are all business. Nobody should send Verydarkblackman money again because you're a thief. Why would they send you money? What business do you do? Davido, Dandazi, an Igbo man give you 100 million. Which business are you doing? They give you that money. And now what make you start feeling like God? What do you want for the money? We know how you came out, how you're drinking pure water. Now, the more you have arrived, you can travel to China with the free ticket and the free money. You can now compare yourself with Blord, who struggle from scratch to come up. So, Verydarkblackman, we don't hate you, but what you're going, if you have a beef with Blord, go and settle it between yourself. Don't put it in business. You're not the manufacturer of those phone. You're not the manufacturer of the car. You can't promote China products. Come and destroy our own brothers. It's not welcome. I have to tell you as a prophet. Not only Blord now. Many people, many Igbo people, many even other, let me not use tribalism. But 80% is Igbos are doing business. We all know that. So please share the telecast. So it shouldn't be things that you come and be crashing people, crashing prices. Do you know the people responsibility? The same drink that will buy Hennessy, it was there they buy for 17,000. People buy it in the crop 2 million naira. So let me tell you again. And it shouldn't be a thing. It's a very shameful thing to you to Verydarkblackman, for you to be proud of your useless lifestyle. It's a disgusting thing for you to be proud. You're saying your new video, your new brother, they bring it out instead for you to be ashamed of yourself. You're telling us God will punish you for doing that. For what? Because Nigerians are fools. Only that one should make nobody should follow you. So you're encouraging immorality, you're encouraging sin, you're encouraging all the men to go and be selling their brother. You're comparing yourself with Blord who also and became somebody. Even if you call him a fraudster, we don't know, he did not catch him. Even if you call him anything, he did not catch him. He's 100% righteous than you that are selling your prick on the internet. Is he Blord that video you? You video your brother and put on the social medias. I know we proud about it. You're not ashamed of yourself. I don't go ground. If you don't go ground, get out from the social media, Mr. Man. Come on, get away from there. Who will you be? When do you come to social media? Because Nigerians are fools, they don't have sense. Somebody who has so destroyed many people. You are not talking there, seeing like a Jesus. Is it not your naked picture that go and bring my own naked picture now? Bring my own and put it on the internet. Let me see. Bring my own naked picture. You don't have integrity. You call here to try who can you impress? You have your naked picture. Even as the guy do, you're supposed to have a remorse. You're proud and say you are sending more. You are sending more. God punish you there. We don't need all those nonsense in Nigerians. He say you that he trying to bring somebody down that he's selling a brother. You're the same you that try to do the same business. Is it not hypocrite? If you go to China and get your own source, let me tell you, all of us can go to Alaba to buy phone. The same phone will not be the same price. You can go to China and get your own product cheap because China have no you people. They have no you, they like you. They can decide to give you a discount. Blord may not have that bargaining power to start going to China to get the resource. So you must consider all those things. So business is a secret. And VDM, why have you helped with people money? But Blord have helped people, millions of people with his own money. That's why I cannot compare me with anybody. I have helped people with my own money. You're an NGO with people money. Are you doing NGO with people money? If they go and fix a pump, is it your money? No. All the thing you do is people money contribution. So no how I can compare yourself with Blord. The only thing that Blord is a businessman, they have many things to lose. I'm supporting a Verydarkblackman when they do a shower, when they send a nude picture to survive, and somebody when they hustle. Now what thing they make people they go into prostitution, people they go into gay business, people they go into a shower because of quick money. If he has a Davido will not picture don't delicate, he go trend. If he has a do picture not delicate, he go trend. But talk say we will see God, nobody will share it. Talk how we heal people, nobody will share it. Or he has say I don't put my naked picture. Who don't know say if you put your naked picture of online, people will know you. Is it not part of why Verydarkblackman became popular? Big for the so many people, brand Jesus. You that have your body everywhere are coming to preach to us about Jesus. telling us about how, because which scam pass for you to sell your nakedness? Which kind of disgrace pass for a man to sell his nakedness? The man, your hand, your leg, your break. No, your hand break. That show you're a weak man, you're a useless man, you're nothing. Your nakedness is outside. For you to be ashamed and find a way to take it off, you're there bragging. Hey, it's my brother. Yeah, you say, come on, come and see that, Mr. Man. You're the 30. If they can't tell you, I will tell you to your face. And you're nobody. Because it's not 3 years ago you come out. Okay, we don't there for this thing for a very long time. You go do finish, you go come out. We don't there here. This is at something years. With spirituality. Entertainment with something years. We don't there here. So you go do, you go come out. We go do like, you go reach him like, you go do like nobody. You don't even have this thing. You know what is good. He just said they bomb something, go there, make noise. Make noise. Because Nigerians are fools. Not all. They follow you like Mumu. No, don't speak about Nigerian government like Mazen Kanu. See what a Shori is doing. That's what he should be doing. Not they are going to Blord. Blord is here a problem. Somebody want to go and buy phone 1 million, let him go and buy. People go to a nightclub, spend 10 million naira. Are you talking about that? Go to Cubana Cyprus. People they drink 20 million, 30 million a night. So how much is the phone? 450. Now what will be your own? What will be your own? Are you talking to kids? Nigeria have money. If you have money, go for bigger thing. If you don't have money, go to poor thing. Like China phone. There's a iPhone. So anyone where you need your money, you should buy. That's why some people get a Lamborghini. 100 and something million. Some no fit buy. So it's all about motivation. Which one say the car? This one, the car. Even the car for 28 million is very, very expensive. When you're hungry, can you buy it? No, you have a car that is selling for 28 million. You don't own it at something million. How many Nigeria can afford even 2 million naira? Is that what you're supposed to be doing now? That's not what you're supposed to. That's not what you tell us as NGO that people contribute money for you. You have diverted your message, begin to fight innocent people to destroy their business. This is the same thing that they did to me. Yes, they saw how I was moving. They begin to label me evil. Say, I collect money. The same Ebukobi they say I collecting money, is collecting billion. And if you talk it now, you become bad person. No, tell me, somebody who collected 100,000, somebody who collected 3 billion, who is a thief? No, tell me. All those things people do, I know it. Verydarkblackman want to open a phone business for his sister. He want to crash a Blord home, so we sell. The same way Ebukobi them pay all the product to crash me so they can sell. It's just a time. Nothing doesn't have final disgrace Ebukobi. He's seen it. The whole world. See, let me tell you, shame is too much. That's why it's good. He that will God is majority. Today, the world know me as the most powerful prophet. They know you as a little boy. With all your Zion crowd, little nothing out of disgrace you. Pure one answer. Give you what. No one hear the truth.